Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So you haven't seen much of this channel really all lately, especially this car. I've been kind of on the grind finishing up high school and I'm finally done. I'm graduating a semester early, so I'm done now. Finally, end of the semester was January 18th. Anyways, now that I'm done with high school, I've got plenty of time to work on all the cars. Rico's right here, Bug right here, new project over there. So check it out, guys. We've been sanding, more sanding all week this week. It's actually turning out pretty nice. I've gotten almost 100% of the low spots figured out. It feels pretty freaking smooth and I'm really happy about it. The roof had some little dents that I didn't notice until after I started sanding, so I got some body filler on those. But in general, it's been pretty fun. I like sanding a lot. It's pretty relaxing. I'm sure if you've rebuilt a few cars, you'll know that it is pretty fun to just be out there with the orbital, get your headphones in, sanding. Here's the hood. The hood's turning out pretty nice too. I had to do a ton of work on this nose of the hood to make it nice, and I finally got it to where it's looking pretty sharp. It was just really dented and nasty, so, you know, lots of body work on that. There was a little bit over here, but not too bad. In general, all the little bits I'm noticing are just tiny dents that I wouldn't have noticed unless I was sanding. So right here, you got some of the body work I've done. These little bits of red, that's spot putty. So if you have tiny imperfections, you can fill them. And then down here, I did notice there's one more dent somewhere on the door. See if I can find it right here, kind of. So there's, oh, and right here, there's another one. So there's just a few things that I gotta do. But in general, it's turning out pretty nice. Pretty happy about it. Fenders are right here. I did just sand these today. And of course I found a dent. So just got a few things to finish up. But in general, it's coming along really nice. So I've sanded it once with the orbital sander over the whole body with 120 grit, and then I'm gonna go straight to 800 grit next. Gonna do a really nice sand over everything and make sure I hit all the spots with the 800 grit. And after that, I'll probably go one more time with like 1500 grit or something like that, just to get it really nice and smooth and ready for paint. We're actually gonna take a little field trip into my house real quick because I want to show you the paint that we got for this car. I'm keeping it in the house just so that it's nice and warm. Let's see if I can turn the lights on. There's Stumpy, and there's Doug. Hi, Doug. So here's the paint we got. Look at that. Heck yeah, it's the rose or ruby red color from 1962. They were able to match the color with the original paint code for the car, so that was really cool. And right here we've got the hardener for it, or reducer, I guess. I don't know, I'm using epoxy terms. I've never painted a car before. I'm getting excited though. But anyways, okay, well, I have painted a car before, just never like with nice professional grade, like good car paint. So that's single stage paint, and then I'll probably do some clear over that. So in general, getting really excited. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Here's the current progress. Engine and transmission should be here soon. We're gonna really start cracking down on this thing. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I've never actually driven a stock Bug before, so I'm getting excited to know what it feels like. Only Bugs I've ever driven are that pile and Rhett's pile, so, you know, getting excited.